Hello everyone, in this C# video we're going to be going over variables and data types. You'll learn how to declare variables, assign values, and understand different data types available. By the end of this video you'll be able to store and manipulate various types of data in your program. So as a brief overview, variables are used to store data in memory during program execution. Each variable has a data type that defines the kind of data it can hold, such as integers, floating point numbers, or text. C# supports several built-in data types, including int or integer, which represents integer values, double represents floating point numbers, char or character represents a single Unicode character, a string represents a sequence of characters, and bool, which is Boolean. It represents a Boolean value being true or false. In this episode, we'll see how to declare and initialize variables as well as print their values to the console. So take a look at our program here. We are, for the sake of this, just demonstrating variables and data types and printing them out. So let's take a look at our main. So our integer variable uses the int data type to store whole numbers. So it initializes our variable called age. Next is a floating point variable, uses the double data type to store decimal numbers, and initializes the variable called height. Next is a character variable. It uses the char data type to store a single character. And note that the value is enclosed in single quotes to denote being a character. Next is the string variable. It uses the string data type to store a sequence of characters. Note that a string is enclosed in double quotes, in contrary to single quotes of the character. Next is a Boolean variable. It uses the bool data type to store a logical value, and initializes, in this example, our isStudent variable with value true. Next, we're actually going to print these variables using console.writeLine, as we learned in the last video. But what we didn't talk about is using the plus. So we're obviously using console.writeLine to print the variable names and values. So as we can see, on line 12 here, the name colon, this string is not going to change, but the name is, because the name depends on what it's initialized. So we are using the plus key to append the variable's value to the message. So let's run this by .NET run. And it will take a second, and it will print out name, initial, age, height, and the isStudent Boolean. So some key takeaways: variables are used to store data and have specific data types. Primitive data types in C# include int, double, char, string, and bool. Variables are declared using the syntax data type variable name equals value. You can use console.writeLine to display variable values, and you can append strings and variables using the plus operator. I hope this video was informative. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.